Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic for home buyers, the application process for homeowners associations and condo associations. If you're thinking about purchasing a property in a community with these associations, stick around because I'm going to break it down for you step by step. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by HOAs and condo associations. An HOA is an organization in a residential community that makes and enforces rules for the properties and residents. Condo associations do the same, but they manage a multi-unit building. These associations help maintain property values and create community standards. They handle things like landscaping, pool, security, and sometimes even social events. Sounds great, right? But there's a process to joining to these communities that you need to know about. Now, let's break down the application process into easy steps. Ready? Let's go. First, research the association. Before applying, do your homework. Check the HOA or condo association rules, fees, and amenities. You don't want any surprises later. If you have hired me as your realtor of choice, I will provide you with the application. I will help you fill out this application, and I will help you drop the application for you to the association. Second, gather documents. Next, you'll need to collect some documents. Typically, you'll need proof of income, employment verification, a completed application form, a background check information, and some associations might require references too. Third, submit the application. Once you have everything, it's time to submit your application. Most associations allow you to do this online. Confirm the submission process and the fees involved. 4, wait for approval. Now, this is a waiting game. Approval can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. In the state of Florida, these associations are allowed to take up to 30 days by law. And some associations can take until the last day and not take into consideration the weekends. During this time, associations may conduct background checks or interview you to ensure you're a good fit for the community. 5, attend an interview if required. Some associations may want to meet you face-to-face. Bring your A game and be ready to share why you're excited to join the community. 6, get the final decision. Finally, you'll receive notification of your application status. If approved, you might need to orient yourself with the community rules and pay any initial fees. Here, I'm going to give you some tips for a successful application. With these tips, you're going to increase your chances of getting approved. Be honest on your application. Know the rules and be prepared to follow them. And show a willingness to contribute positively to community life. And that's it, folks. You're now equipped with the knowledge to navigate the HOA and condo associations application process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy house hunting.